Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on iPhone. To permanently delete your Facebook account on an iPhone, so open the Facebook app, tap your profile at the bottom right, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Then from here, tap Account Center, usually at the top. Then scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Select your account you want to delete or to manage. Click on Manage. Next, you have three choices in here. Tap the activation or deletion. Choose Delete Account and click Continue. Choose a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account and click Continue. Click Continue again. Scroll down and click on Continue. So enter your password if requested. Click Continue and confirm the deletion. So, Facebook typically gives you a grace period, currently about 30 days, during which you can log back in to cancel the deletion. If you want to keep your data, Facebook will offer options to download your information before deleting the account. If you only want a break from Facebook, you can choose the activate account instead of deleting it. And that's basically it. That's how you can delete Facebook account on iPhone. Thank you for watching.